What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Wolves of Investing. My name is Donnie Nguyen, and I'm the founder of Wolves of Investing. If you want to learn how to achieve financial freedom through investing, be sure to click on that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Today, I'm doing a video on SPAC stocks. I wanted to do a video on SPAC stocks because they are very hot right now. Some high-profile companies that recently IPO'd, like NKLA, Virgin Galactic, and DraftKings, they started out by merging with SPACs. What are SPACs? SPAC stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Company. These are shell companies. They are also known as blank check companies. And no, I didn't make that up. It's literally called a blank check company in its S-1 filing with the SEC. They have no operations. Their sole purpose is to acquire another company within a given time frame, usually within 2 years, but it can be up to 3 years. And that time frame is also specified in the S-1 filing. The money from the IPO is held in a trust. If a merger or acquisition is not completed within the allotted time frame, then the money from the trust is returned to shareholders, minus any management fees. And management fees are relatively small compared to the value of the trust. Retail investors like you and I can buy and sell SPAC stocks on the open market from a brokerage. When a SPAC IPOs, they're in what's called a searching phase, where they're searching for a company to acquire. During that phase, they usually trade for around their IPO price, which makes sense because their intrinsic value is just the value of the cash that's being held in the trust. So if the IPO price is at $10, the stock is usually going to trade for around $10 plus or minus 20 cents or so. However, just a few days ago, Therapeutic Acquisition SPAC just completed their IPO. And just today, at one point in time, their stock price was double what their IPO price was a couple days ago. And that was just insane. So the SPAC market is evolving very quickly right now. Once an acquisition target is found and a merger is announced, depending on how investors feel about the merger, the stock price may move significantly, as it did with NKLA, Virgin Galactic, and DraftKings. When the merger is completed, the newly combined company will usually change the SPAC ticker symbol to a new ticker symbol representing the new company. So some key takeaways here. First, remember to click on the like button to help out with the YouTube algorithm and help out my small YouTube channel. And second, if you invest in a SPAC IPO, you're investing in a management team that's promising to acquire another company in the next few years. So what is my take on SPACs? I do not see SPACs as investments. I see them as very speculative. Am I going to invest in any SPACs? I'm not sure yet. Most of my money is in long-term investments, but I do sometimes take small speculative risks. At this moment, I do not have enough information about SPACs to make an informed investment decision. What about you? Are you investing in SPACs? What do you think about them? Drop me a line in the comment box and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.